That's one small step for Carl, one giant leap for the Imagination Station. Get ready to imagine it. We are on the surface of the Imagination Station, dressed like minions. I'm with the chief scientist, Carl Nelson. I have no idea what we're doing out here, but remain calm. There's no need to panic. You're perfectly safe. What are we doing?
A boiling, liquid, expanding vapor explosion.
I don't want to be here.
Liquid nitrogen, always boiling, always changing from a liquid to a gas. This 1 cup of liquid nitrogen, when it changes into a gas,
Yeah?
how much space do you think it takes up?
I have no idea.
44 gallons.
Oh, wow.
44 gallons, as big as this container right over here.
So kaboom.
So we're going to pack all of that inside this 2-liter bottle.
Great. Why am I holding this rod, by the way?
That comes up next.
All right.
Okay, just hold on for a second. So this 2-liter bottle obviously is not going to be able to contain 44 44 gallons of nitrogen vapor.
No.
So
much too small.
That's why what we're going to do, just to give you a sense of what happens here, we're going to test this first before the big show. We're going to put this in that blue container. It's got a little bit of water in the bottom. Okay, the water is going to help the nitrogen turn to a vapor quickly. And we're just going to see what happens. So we tighten that up.
Okay.
Drop that in.
Just going. We're going to stand back here.
We'll stand over here. We're going to listen. And maybe in about 5,
I hear it boiling.
4, 3, 2.
Wow.
It explodes. Okay?
That was an explosion.
Now, the problem with that one was the bottle was floating on top of the water. So when the bottle bursts, half the energy essentially goes up, half goes down.
Okay.
And we didn't get a whole lot of water launched into the air.
Yeah.
That's why these 2 containers, which are filled, pick up that food coloring there.
Oh boy.
Filled with 30 gallons of water. Go ahead and dump that entire container of food coloring into the water. So you've got, you got to take the safety lid off there.
This is brand new food coloring.
Green. I've got red.
Stand by. This is, yeah, safety for your children's protection.
Why we have the suits on, right? So we don't get the food coloring all over our clothes.
Man.
So
we're going to clean up afterward, don't worry.
Yes, we are. So what we're going to do here is going to be tricky because we're going to have 2 things to do. You can mix up that food coloring if you'd like.
Oh, this is a stir stick?
That's a stir stick. I'm gonna add some nitrogen to these containers. Okay. Yeah, just get that out of the way. We don't need that.
All right.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna seal both of these up and drop them in at roughly the same time.
Oh boy.
Now the difference here is that the nitrogen containing container is gonna sink to the bottom of the container because I've taped it to another 2-liter bottle filled with wet sand. So it should be heavy enough to get all the way to the bottom. When it explodes, all the energy should force the water up and out.
Can I drop this? I think it's soup.
I think you can probably get rid of that. So I'm going to need a little bit of help from you here. I'm going to seal the bottles, but what I want you to do, because it's important that we seal the bottle completely. We don't want a partial sealer of the bottle. That would cause a failure. We want to make sure everything goes off. When I'm done here, you're going to take the liquid nitrogen and just sort of step back.
All right. Well, we want to explain to people that you shouldn't try this at home, and you probably couldn't, but if you want to come on down to the Imagination Station, occasionally you will see experiments like this out in the courtyard. Today is a Saturday, so if you bring a kid who lives in Lucas County, that kid gets in free with a paid adult admission.
Go ahead and take that.
Okay.
Take the nitrogen. I will cap these and then drop them in the container.
All right. What about that one?
I'm going to take it over here.
All right. Where am I going?
You're going to stand right behind me there because it's going to go off.
You.
It's going to go off at any time now.
Okay. Okay.
Oh wait, come back. Closer.
No, I don't want to be here.
No.
Oh man,
come back. That's how we got the suits
this
on.
time.
We got the...
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
So that was one.
Oh man.
Wait. We got the green one.
What do you mean? Oh, my hair. And what's left of it will be green and red. Carl, I guess I should congratulate you because that was something else. Everything's fine. We're all fine here.
I feel wet.
Yeah, that's how you imagine it.